Hi, a very good evening to one and all present over here. I welcome you all to ICode Global Hackathon, world's largest K-12 coding competitions webinar on Blockly Advanced Coding. In this session, we will learn how we can enter or we can join the webinar that will be regularly conducted by ICode, and we will be understanding about the platform where you will be doing the Blockly programming, and we will be discussing everything, like every details about how the platform look like, how you can write programs, how you can write codes in that, and everything. Now, first step is we need to understand how we will be able to log into the webinar every time we will be having it. Now, first of all, you need to go to the login page, okay, which is the link I'll be sharing in the chat, Zoom chat. So you need to go to the platform. Give me a moment. I'm just sharing it in the chat. Now you need to go to the link which I have sent in the chat. And soon as you will be clicking on the link that is in the chat, it will take you to the platform, ICode platform, where you need to create your login details. You need to enter. You have already registered with the, if you have already registered with the ICode platform, then you need to enter your email ID over here. After that, you need to click on send validation code. But as soon as you will click on send validation code, the site will send an OTP to your email ID. After that, you need to enter it in the, let me just quickly show you how it will be looking. Give me a moment. Sorry. Okay. So we will be entering the OTP over here. Like as soon as we have entered the validation code, we will be entering the OTP over here. Okay. As soon as you will click on enter the OTP validation code, basically you will be entered to the ICode dashboard, where if you click on start learning, it will take you to the platform. Okay. So as you can see, like when you will be scrolling down, like if you will be clicking on start learning, it will take you to the platform. And if you scroll down and click on join webinar at the time of webinar, then what will happen? It will directly open the Zoom, your Zoom account. Okay, in like if you have downloaded the app, it will be opening in the app. If you have not downloaded, then it will be taking you to the browser version of it. Okay, so as soon as you will click on join a webinar, it will take you to the webinar itself. Okay, if not, you are not on time, so you will be seeing this this dashboard which is there. Okay, which will be basically a countdown, and it will tell you after what time the webinar will be starting. Okay, so this is it. Now I hope everyone has understood how you can log into the platform, ICode platform. Hope it works. Great. Now, after that, when you will be like logged into the platform, you need to click on start learning. Okay. Can you see? I have logged in, and if I'll click on join webinar, it will take me to the webinar which I am conducting right now. Okay. So what we'll do, we will click on start learning. As soon as you will click on start learning, what will happen? The platform will load. The ICode platform will be loading. We'll wait for a while. Let me just refresh it. Uh-oh, I think I just got logged out. So I need to enter my ID again, and it should work. Okay, so I'll be clicking on send validation code. It will be received on my mobile phone. What I'll do enter my OTP from the account. Okay. You need to do the same process at your end as well. Okay. So I hope everyone is doing it. Yes or no, people? Very good. Please do it. We'll click on submit validation code. Look, I am into the platform. Now what I'll do, I'll click on start learning. As I have told you, if you click on join the webinar, what will happen? It will take you to the webinar that is being conducted. Okay, so we'll click on start learning. And as soon as we will click on it, it will do what? It will take you to the ICode Global platform. Okay, now everyone can see the screen. Very good. Now we will just understand how the first dashboard, basically the dashboard of ICode looks like, where what all details will be there. So as you can see, the on the right hand side top corner, you can see my name is over there. Similarly, you will be able to see your name on that. And if you click on drop down, it will help you with the account setting. If you want to just switch to the basically switch to like change any details in your account, your name or your mobile number or something, you can just click on my account and you will be able to change the details. If just in case if someone wants to change the language, so you can always search from different languages that are listed over there. Now in the left hand side, you will be having your profile, okay, which will be basically having your picture. You can upload your picture as well. You'll be having your name, your grade, and the course which you have been assigned. Okay, and you will be competing in the hackathon as well. There will be some announcement section where you will be able to see all the announcements that are being made. Okay, now in the training course, you will be able to see level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. This is a gamified version. This is a gamified platform, so you will be able to open different levels as soon as you will be clearing, like completing one level after another. Okay, so level 1 first, then level 2, then level 3, then level 4, just like that. So once till the time you are not finishing level 1, you will not be allowed to execute or play the games that are there in level 2. Okay, now in the level 1 itself, which is the basically the training ground, you can say the level 1 which is there will be having different sections in it. That is basic, then we'll be having programming, education, blockly, and all these things. There are different sections that you need to understand, that you need to complete. Then only you will be able to complete the level 1. Okay, I hope it helps everyone. Yes, is it clear to everyone? Please tell me. Okay, so how many of you are already done till here? You have logged in, you have clicked on start learning, and after that you are on this page. Just give me a hand wave or give me a yes in the chat. The chat is always open for you. Yes, yes. Okay, a lot of people are saying yes. That's a good thing for me. Now we will be understanding the next task that we have to do. Okay, so before we start with the things, let's suppose we are clicking on this one. Okay, we will be clicking on go button for the basic. Go button for the basic. So what will happen? It will take you to the coding platform where you will be writing the program. But before you reach there, you need to understand about something. That will be a story that you understand, that you need to understand. Now, if I have been using this platform, so it will take me to the place where I left it. Okay, where I was playing already. So what I'll do, I'll be clicking on menu, and I'll go back to the level 1. Okay, so I am back to the level 1 now. Okay, so the interface that is there in front of you is basically something that is known as the ICode Global platform. Now, the top side which is there, which is having unit 1 and level 1, that is basically telling you about your level, which design you are, which code you are writing. In the middle you have your name. It is having the next task tab is having the course that has been allotted to you. After that, the menu section will be helping you with different options that are there. Okay, knowledge review, background story, and all these things. Okay, so now before we go ahead and write programs, we need to understand what is this character basically. Okay, so now let's hear a story. There was a guy who was as curious as you, and he always wanted to go to space. Okay, So he wanted to go into space and he has a name called Dave. Okay, so Dave is someone who want to go to the space, and luckily he got a chance to go to the space in his spacecraft. Okay, when he was going to space to like explore how space looks like, so what happens basically, he met with an accident. Okay, he hit a meteoroid, and what happened basically, his spacecraft got damaged very badly, very badly. And luckily fortunately he was like, he is but perfectly fine, he is like alive completely. And then what happened to spacecraft, the spacecraft is completely shattered, it got completely destroyed, but he was able to save himself. Now he is like roaming around in the space. Obviously there is no air, so he will be roaming around here and there. Now what we have to do, we have to help Dave to collect all the parts of the spacecraft that got damaged so that he can return to home. Okay, so we will be helping him to like fuel cells, we will be energy cells, basically we will be helping them with different parts of the spacecraft so that he can assemble the spacecraft again and he can go to home. Okay, so I hope everyone is happy till here. Yes or no? You guys have been able to understand what I'm trying to tell here? Yes, very well done. Thank you so much, everyone. Now like as you can see in the downside as well, it is saying our goal is to control Dave walking with the blocks and collect all the items that are there that will be shown in the map. Okay, now as you guys can see, the character Dave that is there is like jumping at a place. Yes, jumping Japan. Okay, now so we need to understand what all things that are there on this platform. So this will be the graphical representation of the map that we will be following. In the middle, we have the blocks, the colorful blocks that are there that will help you to understand basically how you will be writing the program. So we'll be using block-based programming to complete like Blockly basically. Okay, so the codes that are there will be written in the blocks. This is the coding area, basically the scripting area, which we'll be writing, where we'll be writing the scripts for Dave. Okay, and if you can see the run button which is there, whatever code you will be writing in the blocks over here, you need to click on this run, and what will happen, it will execute the code. Okay, happy everyone? Great. One or two more things. Now in the visual representation, you can see there are X direction and there is Y direction, right? Yes or no? The X direction and Y direction is there. Clear to everyone? Yes. So what is X and Y? X is basically the horizontal movement. When it comes to horizontal movement, X is considered. What is considered? X is considered. Okay, clear? And when it comes to vertical movement, we consider Y value. Okay, so the Y value that is there is covered with like vertical movement, and when we talk about horizontal movement, we cover it with X movement. Clear to everyone? Very well done. Now have a look at it. Now this is the fuel cell, this is the item which is kept, and we need to collect it. Yes, we need to collect it. So what we will do, he will take 1 step, 2 step, and 3 step. Voila, he got it, right? Now, is there any block that you think can help us? Yes, exactly. The first one which says Dave step number of steps. Okay, so now you can see there are 3 options, 3 or 4 options over here. So if you click on this first option, it will align everything in the center. 1, 2, 3, look, it aligned everything in the center. Now if you click on this plus icon, it will zoom in, okay, the blocks, and if you click on minus, it will zoom out the blocks. Clear to everyone? Now this dustbin is something which we will be using to like put some extra codes that are not required, so we can put it in the garbage. Okay, because there are excessive code that are there, kept should be kept inside the dustbin. Clear? Okay, so tell me one thing. We have took one step. Now, how many steps we require to be taken? 1, 2, 3, right? So we'll be doing dev step 1, dev step 2, and 1 step, 2 step, and 3. 1 plus 1, 2 steps. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 steps. Okay to everyone? Very good. So where should I click? Now, if I click on run, 1, 2, 3, you will see, voila, we got it, right? There is something which is not right. This this is not 3-star, right? Okay, what is the meaning of star? Basically, the stars that are there, that tells you how effective your code is. Okay, the code which you have written, is it the best form? Is it the best possible way of writing a program for this particular situation or this particular problem? If it will be having 3-star, that is the best possible way. Okay, and if it is not having 3-star, that means it is not the best possible way. That means we need to do something more. And the error which is there, why we people are writing 3 times the same program? We need to remove the extra piece of code. So what we will do, as I told you, you need to take it to the dustbin like this. You will hear that happy little noise. Look, yes. And now what we want dev step. How many steps? 3 steps. So what we will write? A number 3. Exactly. So now what we will do, if we click on run 1, 2, 3, you will see, yay, we got it, right? We have cleared this level. Okay, everyone is happy? Give me a yes if you are happy. Give me a yes. Yes. Okay, give me a thumbs up in the chat. Yes, very good. So I'll be waiting for one or two more minutes just to make sure that you guys are doing it along with me. Okay, so please finish till here and give me a thumbs up or write down yes in the chat. Okay, and then what we will do, we will get going with the level 2 of the unit 1. Okay, everyone, do it quickly, everyone, please. Okay, very good. I'll be waiting for 1 minute. Just let me know when you guys are done. Okay, so there are 2 options over here. This is the repeat, and it is to go to next level. So if you click on this green, everything is happy. You will be taken to the next level. If you have not completed your code like correctly, so you can click on replay. Okay, rewrite it. So what will happen if you click on it? It will take you back to the same level where you were. Okay, so look, if I click on it, look, it took me back on the same program, the level 1 program. If I click on run, so what will happen? It will take me to the like finish the thing. And if I click on green flag, 1, 2, 3, let's have a look at it. Can you see? Yes, it took me to the level 2. Isn't it good? Okay, so we have understood how to make this Dave guy walk some steps, right? Now tell me, how many steps should I move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5? Is it? Yes, it is. So what we will do, we will drag this block that says dev step, and we will do how many steps? We will write it 5 steps. 1, 2, 3. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, voila, we got it, right? Yes, everyone is happy? Yes or no? Okay, please finish till here. There are certain more options that are there. If you click on this sound, it will play a very happy little sound. Look, have a look, hear it. Yay! Okay, it's exciting, right? Great. So finish till here, everyone, and we will be completing the next level. Okay, I'll be giving 1 more minute, 1 more time to you. Okay, do it along with me so that you should not miss anything. Okay, I hope everyone is done. Yes, thank you so much for confirming that. Now we'll be clicking on run and it will finish the program. Now we will click on this green flag. Now is the time to understand how to take right turn and left turn. Okay. So whenever you will be taking a right turn or left turn, you need to understand. Can you see this guy, that tip of on the tip that is there on the dev's head, that is basically the behind of the character date. Okay, so if you want to take a right turn, it will make it move like this. If you want to take a left turn, it will make it move like that. Okay, clear to everyone? Yes. So now if I want to make it move, so what I'll do, look, this is the behind. I want to take this guy in this direction. So I need to take a right or I need to take a left. I need to take a right. So what I'll do, I'll take a turn right first. Then how many steps should be there? 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Excellent. Very well done. Now what we will do, we will take a right turn quickly. So we'll drag this block that says right turn. Okay, and how many steps? Can anyone please confirm? 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. We'll be writing 4 number of steps. 1, 2, 3. Click on run. Look. Yes, we got it. Understood, everyone? Yes. Please finish till here, everyone. I'll be waiting for you. I'll give you 1 more minute to finish it. Please do it quickly. Do let me know when you guys are done. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you're done. Please, everyone. Okay. Please let me know when it is done. Okay. Now we'll be clicking on the green button one more time. Yes. Now, again, we need to understand that we have understood about taking a right turn, right? Now we need to understand how we can make a left turn. Okay. So first of all, before we analyze that where we should be taking a left turn or we should be taking a right turn, we should always ensure that we should be making a right move. So how we'll decide? This is the behind of Dave. Okay. This will be the right and this will be the left. Okay. So what we should take? We should take a left. So what we will do? Again, we will say, Dave, take a left turn. And then how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we'll be taking how many steps? Please give me a moment. Sorry for the technical glitch. Now, so I was telling you about how to take the turn, right? So what we will be doing, we'll be taking a left turn, as I have already told you, right? Yes. So we will be taking the left turn, and how many number of steps should be there? 1, 2, 3, and 4 number of steps. Okay. So what we will do? We will drag step. How many steps? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps should be taken, right? So we will click on right 4, click on run. 1, 2, 3. Voila. Can you see? Yes. Okay. Is it done? Very good. I hope everyone is happy till here. Yes. Please finish till here, and after that we will be going with the next level. Okay. Okay. I'll be again giving you 1 minute so that we will be finishing the level 5 that is there. Taking, we have understood about making moves like forward, backward. Then we have understood about how to take a left turn and right turn. Now the next part of the level unit 1, that will be level 5. You need to click on the green flag. After that, what you need to do, you need to understand how to take the forward move and backward move, and when to take a left and right combined. So what we'll do, we will take a forward. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, and 4 steps. Now, when you will be at this point, you need to understand one more time. Where should I go? So the face will be towards this point. This will be the right, and this will be the left. Okay. So we need to take a left, everyone. Yes or no? Exactly. So what we will do, we will say, Dave, take how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. We will take 4 steps quickly, and then we will ask Dave to take a left turn or right turn. Left turn. Very good. And then how many steps? 1, 2, 3. 3 steps, right? Drag it down, connect it like this. Okay, we'll be writing 3 steps. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. Have a look at it. Voila, we have done it. Yes or no, people? Please tell me. Yes? Excellent work done, guys. Excellent work. Very good. So this is how you guys need to prepare yourself and understand how the code is working and everything. You will be gradually learning because it's a self-learning platform. So what you need to do, you need to do a lot of practice, and you will be able to win the hackathon. Okay, so what you need to do now, after the session, you need to finish the beginner level. Okay, the first level that is there, as I told you, right? So whenever we we log into the platform. Okay, like give me a moment, let me just, okay, so we'll exit the platform. Sorry, we'll exit the platform. From this we want to leave. Okay, so whatever level you will be crossing, that will be saved automatically. You don't have to worry about anything. Okay, it will be saved just like that. Okay, so as you can see, I have scored some stars. Can you see? 24 stars by clearing 5 or 6 levels. Okay, so this is how it will be working. I hope nobody has a doubt. If you guys have any doubts, please do ask it in the chat. The chat is always open for you. Okay, I'll be waiting for your questions. So how many levels we have completed today? We have completed 5 levels. Now you guys have to work and clear as many as level in basic, as many as you can, so that whenever I'll be meeting you in the next class, you will be done with the basic part already. Okay, because this is the advanced blockly. Yay. Okay, clear? Okay, so please tell me if you have any question. Do ask. Nobody has a question? Okay, I'll be waiting for 1 more minute. Just in case if you guys have anything to ask, please go ahead. Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining today's webinar on Advanced Blockly. I hope you have enjoyed the session, and at the same time, I hope you to see. I hope you will be joining in the next webinar as well. Okay, so my name is Omkar Sahu, signing off for today. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. Bye bye. See you in the next session. Bye bye.